Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are building our second prototype for our desktop table joystick HOTAS mount. Our goal is to build the most stable but also flexible joystick mount we can think of. So watch us and have fun. First we have to cut our 80 by 40 aluminum profiles. This is a top plate that will be on top of the table. The two holes will connect it to the profile. We connect the profiles with universal connectors. The good thing about them is you can fixate and loosen them in every position you want, so the height is flexible. After the sanding process, the raw aluminum looks much nicer. And here we are screwing the top plate to the aluminum profile. And as you can see, we already have the table clamp fixed to the profile, which in the end allows for very easy mounting and dismounting to the table. It was our primary goal to make it as easy as possible. So we had many different iterations we went through to find the best one and easiest one. This is a joystick plate. Later we will also screw more holes in it to really fix the joystick to it. We want it to be as stable and rugged as possible. But this is just a prototype now, so we didn't put in holes at the moment. On every cut line from the profiles, you want a little end cap just for safety reasons. And here it is. our second prototype of our HOTAS joystick table mount with an easy clamp to fixate it on the table. The clamp pushes with 450 pounds, Newton I think, or just pounds, I'm not sure, but it should be more than enough. With this little screw you can also set the power of the clamp. As you can see, it's a very easy process to fix the table mount onto the table. And to release it afterwards. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Until next time.